Hey y'all!
Hi!
So welcome back to another collaboration with me and the millennial me, aka Daisha. Yeah, so today we're gonna do a mukbang. You know, we're try rolling pan the eye pen. Yeah, so you want some more?
Well, I'm eating, I don't have a name for this, but it's basically pumpkin and broad bean stew. You know what I'm saying? Some pumpkin with a whole heap of seasoning and some broad bean. I'm having fried green plantains. I wanted ripe, but they didn't got no ripe. We got some mashed potatoes, we got some raw veg, and we got some rice and peas. Seeing? So that's what's up.
I mean, I want some extra in my plate. Chicken.
Fall.
Yeah.
I don't eat what she eats.
Should I eat meat? So I'm gonna mash up some chicken.
Oh, we're ready. Oh, we still
Come
introducing
on, up on my back. I'm never can a napkin.
No, it's okay.
I mean,
Just look happy.
So what? No. You know what?
I'll be right back. Well, she's on. Well, she's soon come. I'm about to get started. I've been wanting to get started.
You've been started.
I've been started. You ain't gotta tell them that.
Just start long time.
Alright, guys, I'm just to make sure with everything. So should I go work?
Alright. So see me and I'll come back, you know?
No lie. The chicken leg they look good still. The sauce look rich and thick.
Yep. So this is my version of jerk chicken because right now I'm in another mode. I go outside, I put the tuna chicken pan no grill. So I put it in the oven and I season it with some original jerk seasoning straight from yard. Right. Yeah. You know what? She eat long before me, so it's time for me to start eating.
Time for you to start.
Yeah.
You know, I'm wondering if I should have worn my sweater. You think my hand look like it, man?
No, it just look fit.
Just look fit?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, make sure nobody comes for me, okay? I want to look fit. I don't mind looking fit. You know, when I was in high school and the girls that run track, they, you know, we used to call them tough. You know, when I look at them and say, shit, them tough, man. I don't want to look like that, you know? No, I'm wishing, you know, I look like them, being as I'm getting into fitness, and you know, you find out how important being fit is, you know.
Alright, number one, I've never worked, well, I don't work out, plus, sorry to say this, but I don't like working out. Like, I don't. But all my life, my ears are tough. Like, my calf just
big, so?
Yeah.
They're going to need to see a picture of that. She will put it somewhere there. And you can be the judge of that.
Yeah. Yeah, but me used to hate it. But now I'm like, you know what? Whatever. I have $1 million legs.
They sexy, sis. That's a sexy leg.
So now I'm just proud of them, you know? I mean,
but I mean, if my arms look this sculpted already, right? I think they look kind of, you know. But I just started lifting weights. Like, I'm actually really weak. So I'm like, let me put some work into that area of my body, you know, like, let's try to pass lifting 30 and go. She's like, I don't even know what you're talking about. Okay, next topic.
Okay, next thing I used to hate about me was my lips.
Oh shit!
I used to hate them. You see them with a passion.
I know.
Because, you know, it's like, before people see me, I eat them sick.
Them see them all.
And, you know, like every day at school and people, like, you get in an altercation with somebody and I'm cussing, say, hey, big mouth girl. Big lip girl. Yeah.
No, you have me one cover. I'm kidding. I never really was, I didn't hate my lips, but I wouldn't wear lipstick because I'm like, them things too thick for lipsticks.
I used to love it. Whether they thick or not,
yeah,
they love lipstick anyways.
Couldn't get me wear lipstick. I mean, I think I started wearing color on my lip. I used to do gloss, but I started the lipstick thing around maybe second year of university. or third. Cause I was like, my mouth just like a little big star, like. But now I'm like, sis, let's show up together. You know what I'm saying? Living off.
Your lip them alright tonight. So man that's extra. That's out there. Like.
Sis, like yeah, right now you don't have no formal lip. Right? That may try.
What do you mean?
Your mouth no big. What you mean?
Tell her. Before them see me, honestly let them dance it.
No.
But guess what?
Accept yourself. Alright, so something on my eye.
Oops.
You see it? No. What?
Blink again. Come on. Yes, no.
I feel better now. But you don't know big mouth yet, man. You want to see mouth.
Hold on,
you want to see lip.
Since I got here, I start to appreciate them. I'm like, shit, people out here paying for them, you know. So I'm like, okay, I'm natural, so that's a plus.
That's the thing. It's not. I'm not sure if it's since you got here or it's since it's been the thing. Like, and I'm go in right now. You know, it might get uncomfortable, but black women have always had, you know, curves and like thick lips, and you know, we're usually bashed for it. So, you know, growing up, I guess that's how we came to have these insecurities. Oh, your mouth kind of big, your nose big. What a weird fear, but I'm big, even though in Jamaica. That's a blessing. Like me, everybody take me sick and be like, oh, okay, yeah, I just ain't got no ass like everybody.
Me mom got so they're like, ain't nobody looking at me, ain't nobody talking to me, but not see me, not noticeable. Yeah,
but in terms of like the features, I think people started a lot of black people started to accept, oh, a nice ass a big ass is good since, you know, X, Y, and Z got one. Oh, okay, so thick lips are trending, so let me put some, you know, and then all of a sudden we love it and we accept it, you know what I'm saying?
Since me come America, me realized having thick lips and having tough calf
or a booty, guys,
is a thing. So yeah.
And then another thing, like my aunt was saying, like she told a co-worker of hers in Florida, she was like, and she said, Jennifer, you get fat, man. Worst thing she could have ever done. She thought that she was still in Jamaica talking about Jennifer, you get fat. Jennifer, up to this day, Jennifer not talk back to her. Because she offended Jennifer. Though she was trying to explain to Jennifer that in Jamaica, when somebody says, oh, you're getting fat, you start to celebrate.
Actually,
you know what I'm saying?
Nobody tell me something I get fat. Reason being, I've been skinny all my life, so I'm comfortable with being skinny.
You don't want nobody tell you that you're getting fat?
No, girl.
So if I see a few pounds, like it don't have to be like, oh, your belly big or anything, but your ass growing. You don't want nobody to say, oh, you're gaining weight.
Oh yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. It doesn't mean, I mean, people hardly ever say to nobody, say, hey, your belly big, man, unless you're like super close or a family or something, right?
True.
Yeah, so, you know, one time my mom said to me, Daisha, if you gain weight, I'll pay you this Christmas. But we can't get this just me. I don't know. Maybe after some babies or something.
Yeah, I think the same way too. I mean
no. Growing up, I was insecure about being skinny. No, I'm good.
For real?
I actually like being skinny. I just really want, like, my arms to be a little bit firm.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm in the gym. I've been in and out of the gym, but I need to get consistent. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go in with the fingers and the fried plantain.
Man.
So I need to get. That's why I'm in the gym, because I want the booty. But outside of that, I don't want to get fat. I used to want to when I was being made fun of you know, mother girl.
My cousin used to say, just say,
well,
I mean, you can't eat food and gain weight. I'm like,
even now they be like, you need to eat and gain. You need some meat on your bone. I'm like,
I'm perfect.
But you're gonna pay to cut it off tomorrow off your bone. Like, why all this surgery if you know? To each their own. Be comfortable with yourself. You know, accept you for you. Because if you go with the trend, after it you know, it fades tomorrow, then you're uncomfortable again and you want to do something else.
True.
You know? So just accept you, love yourself, like genuinely love yourself, you know. So
all thick chicks out there, don't feel no way.
Yeah, we like curves. I actually love to see one round nice shape sculpted woman, and I like to see skinny chicks too, like myself, you know. We all popping.
Yeah. Girl power.
Girl power with a full mouth. Girl power.
Alright. I don't eat no food, you know. You see me available my chowder?
That's the thing, you know, when you're eating and you're talking, you probably eat more than you would if you weren't. As well as like if you're eating and watching TV or something, then you eat more. I was watching some kind of documentary with obesity, and they talk about people that like just sit and eat in front of the TV, and that's how they gain all that weight. I don't have the facts, but
actually, with me, so me that when I eat, I feel the front of TV, like man, I feel what some series I feel one, or some movie I feel one. I feel.
No, I'm not against it. I don't think it affects me because I'm clearly not obese, but I don't mind it. But if I'm going to, sometimes I'll put on a movie to watch while I'm eating. But after the food done, my interest in a movie gone, cause you know,
my interest is still there.
I'm always like on the go, you know. Probably finish it one next time, or never. But yeah,
I'm drinking wine, Moscato.
Okay, that's what's up.
And then what's the Sebastian? Jesus Christ! Get down.
Say I need some.
Down. Get down. Okay, so my cat / kitten, he's a pain. He's like a major pain in my
There we are.
Alright, so yeah, we're supposed to have like some Jamaican ginger beer. Well, not really Jamaican ginger beer, but it was like ginger beer. And I was say the woman don't put something in my bag. So you know what about tomorrow?
You know, I was thinking of sorrel. I have some sorrel in the fridge. I'm never bring no sorrel. That would be ideal for the Jamaican mug, but we can do it in part 2 or something.
Yeah. I'll try something on
Rum in there already, sweet and everything. I probably should have bring some sorrel. Sorrel. Yo, guess what? There is this restaurant in Jamaica. It's my favorite restaurant in the world. My second favorite restaurant is in New Orleans. But they have this sorrel sauce. Oh God. I'm still taste it right now. Sorrel sauce, you know? You ever have sorrel sauce before? It's so good. I don't know what they put in it, but trust me, it's good.
What does it taste like? Or have a unique taste?
It tastes like sorrel, but it's, you know, it's saucy, so it's thick. And it's a vegan restaurant, Kusha's vegetable restaurant. So them serve it with some lentil balls. Guys, some lentil balls. A couple of some.
Listen, I don't know what she's talking about. I don't know what I'm all for like that.
You know, balls are usually, you know, once prepared properly, you know. Chicken.
Okay.
Chicken. But yeah, it's good. Lentil balls. Or any other balls you want to try with the cereal sauce. Nice.
Woo. Anyways, guys, so as y'all know, she's vegan. You want to tell them about her?
Why I'm vegan? Well, I'm gonna just try to make it as short as possible because it's a long ass story. Initially, I went vegan for my health. In 2015, I was diagnosed with pneumonia. Almost dead. Sis. Then after I got over pneumonia, they gave me a pump so that I developed asthma. Where my mom's like, Daisha, you don't have no asthma because you're not born with asthma, you know. But I can't dash the pump when every now and then the chest take me. So, you know, after doing some research and switching it up, I really don't know where the pump is. So not everything is for everybody, but I do realize that this lifestyle, I mean, I'm living proof, I haven't used a pump in years, that it works for me, you know. So yeah, that's kind of it. I mean, I've always been, as much as I don't eat meat, I'm not the biggest vegetable lover. I'm more like a fruits girl, which is kind of weird because every day they're like, you're vegan. I'm like, okay, that's what you call it. There's just certain things that I eat and some that I don't eat because there are some vegetables that I don't play with either, you know. So they're like, you're vegan, you know, like salad and them thing there. Wherein I do eat salads, but it's just not my favorite. I'll eat a bunch of fruits all day, every day. But, you know, it's fun. I mean, when I just started to transition, you know, playing with different dishes and experimenting, some things turn out really good, some things not so much, but what do you think about that? You know,
it's good. Actually, it is good.
See,
this pumpkin and bean thing that Daisha made, it's really good.
Really
but
good.
I'm kind of full, so you know, I'm saving this for later. Like us, sis.
I'm not quite full yet, but I joke.
Alright, y'all, so we are done. I'm done because a girl can't eat too much, you know what I mean?
Well, I mean, I think I did pretty good. Most of it is gone, including my piece of thigh that I had.
Yeah, right. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching today. And if you like this video, please give it a thumb up. Also share it. And don't forget to I just said that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Like, share, comment. Let us know what you think. Let us know if you've ever had green plantains or if you would try that pumpkin and broad bean stew, something there. You know what I'm saying? So, let us know.
Yep. And so we're gonna wrap this up now. So I guess we'll see you in the next video.
Ta-ta.
Bye, y'all. Cheers.
Clink, clink, clink.